Hi everybody. Once again, I am back with another Savage X Fenty VIP unboxing. This is their May Nothing But Net unboxing. I'm so sorry. I know it is July right now, but I've been just behind because life just kind of got a little crazy. Good crazy, not bad crazy, good crazy. As you guys know, the monthly subscription is $49.95 a month. You do have the option to skip. If you don't want to be charged that price, you have to buy something between the 1st and the 5th. Their VIP box comes out around the 15th or the 17th. And if you don't purchase anything and they charge you, you get credit for your next purchase. So I always end up using my credits to get my VIP box. So this is the Nothing But Net. Now you notice I'm not wearing it. When I saw it, it looked a little too see-through, but we're gonna see it. We're gonna check it out. So this is the Nothing But Net Tank in extra large, and they listed the color as caviar, which is just a nice way of saying black. I'm sorry if you hear all that crunching. I forgot they put paper in here. So yeah, so this is the tank. Woo! And it is a razorback tank. Let's see the back, the razorback. And as you can see, pretty see-through. So when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute because it's that fishnet material, but it feels more like athletic wear. Even though it looked fishnetty, it feels more like athletic wear. So actually, with the right sports bra, I will probably end up wearing this out to go work out. And this is an extra large. So that is the top, and the holes on the side are pretty large. And you can see the construction here. It's sewn in pretty good. So you don't have to worry about that unraveling in the wash. Do they have wash instructions here? Oh, that's in, I don't know. Okay, so hand wash code separately. Do not bleach, do not tumble, do not tumble dry, line dry, do not iron, and do not dry clean. So wash on cold separately. If you have any laundry bags, I would say get that and zip it inside just to make sure it's safe when it's being washed. If you have hand wash on your machine, and like I said, line dry, so just hang it up. But it does feel good though. It feels really soft. I wonder what the material it is. I think purple on gold is a little hard to read. So it's 80% nylon and 20% elastane. So lets you kind of know what it's made out of. And it has a little bit of stretch, not a lot, just a little bit. I like that. It's cute. So that is the top part. Let's go to the undies, the boy shorts. I own a couple pairs of boy shorts. I do like them. Once again, you have that paper inside that I have to find. You guys unfortunately have to hear the crunch. So these are, as you can see, the band says Savage X Fenty on the band. And it has that boys cut in the front with that little cute little pouch that us women just thinks are cute, but for men it's actually functional. And the crotch area is pretty thick. It feels like piping is here. It's not, because it's very, very flexible, but it has like kind of like that the bras with no underwire. There's still that feeling that's there, that you know that it's going to hold you in place, it's going to keep you secure. That it has that feeling of piping right here. But like I said, very, very see-through. That's why I'm not doing this one on. And it's that same, but this one actually has a little bit more stretch to it. But this feels very comfortable, very cute, very peekaboo. I love a little peekaboo. I don't know about you guys. Let me know. Do you guys like a little peekaboo? And this one is the Nothing But Net Bralette. Bralettes are great, especially around the house when you just need a little bit of security, but you don't want all that crap that comes with wearing a bra. So a bralette is perfect. So here's your bralette. It has the, once again, the Savage X Fenty here in the band. It does have a little bit of paneling here. So it's not as see-through as, say, the undies. You can compare and see that you can pretty much see my nails in this one, but not this one. And that material goes all the way around. So it's not something that's only in the front and not in the back. It's all the way around. And since it is a bralette, there's like no underwire, no separation. It's just something that goes on that's comfy, that holds you in, great underneath a t-shirt, and it won't give you all the extra bulk. And the band is pretty secure. It's flexible, but it's secure, so I know I'm not gonna fall out the bottom. So that is your bralette and caviar. So you have the bralette, the undies, and the t-shirt. So this is something you can kind of like walk it around the house in if you're with the significant other, or in my case, by yourself, and just be cute in and not have to worry about, you know, sometimes I do love lingerie, but sometimes you gotta be in the mood to wear it because you know it's gonna like poke or just be uncomfortable at some point. But with this, you just pretty much got roll tank top, underwear, and a bralette. And I'm telling you, the tank top, I'm probably gonna put in just the right sports bra underneath it and just walk and be cute. But that is the Nothing But Net box for May. You know what? I was going to break these up, but since we're only 7 minutes in, let me just go ahead and give you guys June. Give me a second to cut up the box. Because I sat down and I was like, I got to do these videos. Because, oh, I already cut the box. Because the July one is coming. And I got caught up in Awesome Con and Brick Fair is coming to town. So it's all crazy. But here is your beautiful, beautiful June box. And this is the Carnival VIP box. So first we have the Carnival Bralette in caviar. Once again, sorry for all the crunching, but that's just plastic and paper. So, ooh. So you got all your pretty jewels here. And it has that same material on the inside as the as a Nothing But Net Bralette. It's just this material is a little bit thinner. It's silk-like. It's really pretty. I don't believe it's silk. It's silk-like. It's very soft. So this is okay, so hand wash cold, pretty much air dry, and 67% nylon, 33% elastane. So that's what it's made out of. And as you guys can see, the straps are adjustable, so you can get it holding you right. And this is what it looks like held up. There is no underwire. It's nothing about lifting and separating. It's just, I'm gonna be cute. I don't want a whole bunch of stuff poking me type of bra. And I like that a lot. That's actually really cute. Is this actually a bralette? No, that's Nothing But Net. Yes, so this is actually a bralette too. I'm very sorry. I said it was a bra. This is a bralette. And there is a difference between bras and bralettes. This is a bralette. I love all the little embellishments here. Let me see if they're the same. Yeah, so the embellishments are the same on each side. And it kind of gives you that carnival look that I love. And yes, this isn't the hole. This is actually a dark colored stone that you saw. because I know from back here it looked like there was a hole, but this is actually a dark color stone. So if you ever seen the Carnival type of deal, look up Rihanna and Carnival. You see some really beautiful costumes that she had, and it's all about a festival of the flesh, the way the Carnival was supposed to be. This one is the leg bikini. I think I'd be better at this by now. So, ooh. So this is the bikini. It is very see-through. I'm kind of glad I did these back to back. This is a little see-through too. And it's almost, even though it's caviar, the panel inside kind of has a bluish tint. And I actually like it. It's a really pretty blue undertone. And you have the little stone up front that goes probably right underneath your belly button. And in back, you have all the embellishments. And then you have the almost clover-like cutout. So you have embellishments in the front and the back. I'm okay with that. Do you, boo boo? Do you? And then you have the panel and the crotch, which is nice to have. But yeah, it's very, very pretty. It gives you that carnival feeling. Sorry, as you guys know, I film my laptop, so I'm trying to ignore notifications that I'm getting. And these, this is one of the reasons why I wanted to get this one, because these came with satin boxers. Look at that. Look at that. They got the Savage X logo right there. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these a lot, because I love these type of boxes. They feel so good on, and I can like run downstairs and get something without having to worry about bothering anybody. This, and it also says this tag was meant to be removed, so you know this tag was meant to come out, so that way it's not itchy or nothing like that. It's 92% polyester and 8% elastane. And the care instructions are, because I did it for the other ones, machine wash, cold water, gentle cycle with light colors. And then you could tumble dry low. So this can go in the washing machine as is. But I would still put it into, because it's really nice and really soft material, I would still put it into a laundry bag and zip it up by itself. And that way it'll keep it from getting all torn up in the machine. The inside has some really nice cloth material, so it's a little bit different than the shinier part, and it's actually pretty soft. It's nice. I can tell it's gonna feel really nice against my skin, which I need right now because I'm covered in mosquito bites. Like really, like there's even one here, like, and then I have like 3 on this arm, 4 on this one. I have like 4 on one leg, and then the other one I have like 2. I'm covered in mosquito bites, and that's all because of 4th of July cookout. I got that sweet meat, y'all. Let me know down below. Y'all got sweet meat too? Y'all got sweet meat like me? And I didn't mean to show. Here's the back. And so you kind of know, gives you about 1 inch. So if your thighs rub like me, you don't have to worry about it wedging up in the middle. And look at that. Savage X Fenty. That's how you know it go with the Carnival. What? So you have your boxers with your cute little emblem and your logo. You have your undies, the front, and you got your embellishments on the back with the cutout. Oh, there you go. And then you have your bralette, which is so cute. And I love the fact that these 2 sets together, I can kind of mix and match them. You know, I can wear these boxer shorts with the tank top and the mesh bralette from the other one. So these 2 sets, I can really mix and match and honestly make like 6 more lingerie combinations with them. I am loving these 2 sets together. So if you guys have a chance, Go to your Savage X website. You'll get in the link below and check them out for yourself. And as always, be honest with your size. I got a bunch of extra larges. I got a 2XL in here. So be honest about your size you wear. It will fit a lot better. You'll even feel sexier if you get the right size. All right, guys? So, with that being said, let me know what you guys thought about these two boxes, the Nothin But Net and the Carnival. Because I'm loving it. And I can't wait to mix and match some of this stuff because it's about to be on and popping up in here. And I'm single, so it's going to be on and popping. Like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, oh my gosh, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. In life, there's black and white, but with me, you will always get at least one shade of gray. I love you guys. Bye.